Hey everyone! It's time to celebrate the holidays and get festive. To help you with the decorations, EK has included a miniature tree, but as PC modders are used to hearing, some assembly required. If you can build a liquid-cooled beast, this origami will be a piece of fruit cake. To get started, you'll need paper. We've got you covered with this one. A pair of scissors and a ruler or a tool to crease the paper. Now let's open this package. Scan the QR code for the folding manual. In this first step, fold the paper diagonally and cut off the remainder. Now open the paper and fold it in the opposite direction. Open up the square of the paper and fold it once more. Fold the two opposite diagonal creases in on themselves and then press the paper flat. Your paper should now look like a square. Now for this step, fold the edges to form a triangle. Repeat the same on the other side. Put that ruler to work, creasing the edges to make them nice and crisp.
Loud noises!
Spread the center folds open and then fold the creased edges in on itself so that the front of your tree is now flat. Repeat it on all sides. It's scissor time. Flip the front and trim the bottom of your Christmas tree by cutting off the lower part. Make two cuts along the long sides of the origami tree. Fold your new branches down on one side and watch as your Christmas tree takes shape. Your ruler can also help to crease the edges. And now the last one. After folding down the cuts, spread out the paper folds to view your finished creation. Show off two of your creations in one photo by placing your new Christmas tree on your PC and snapping a nice pic. If you'd like, share it on any EK social media channels with hashtag #TreeOnAPC and spread some holiday cheer with the liquid cooling community. Now let's turn these Christmas trees into a Christmas forest. Happy holidays, everyone. Stay cool.